Hello everyone, welcome back to the video here at Tasty Tech Tips. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium in the 1 TB model. I'm sorry if this is not the most ideal angle. I just decided I wanted to record this video of me unboxing my new phone. I am coming from the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you guys can see right here. I don't really have a great lighting setup, but this is the guy that I have right now. And yeah, I'm upgrading because this phone's storage has been full since I pretty much bought it. And yeah, it's a 128 GB. I just figured I might as well at this point because I've been waiting forever. But yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. So we are actually gonna cover up some of the stuff over here, but we're just gonna pull on the little pull tabs. Beautiful. And we're gonna pull on this one over here. Very beautiful. And now we're gonna flip this guy over. We're gonna pull up on the box. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Let's pull out the flash again so you guys can get a better look at this one. You guys can kind of see the Desert Titanium color, but it's beautiful. It's I was really considering getting the natural titanium, but I said screw it, why not get the Desert Titanium. I'm still waiting for the case and the screen protector. I was so upset when I got home and they had been delayed by a day. But this is crazy. This is my phone. What the heck? And I actually paid for it, like, for once. This isn't something that my parents bought me. I actually was able to buy it for myself. Now I will say I got it for an insane discount, so I was able to actually get this for $400, including this phone being traded in. So right now it's $800. I do have to trade this phone in a day or two. Because I do want my money back. I don't have all the money in the world. But yeah, let's pull this phone out. Obviously in the box we don't get too much. We just have the USB-C to USB-C, and the paperwork. There's not even Apple stickers included anymore, which is very unfortunate, but what can I do? And yeah, we have the box, so we're just gonna throw this back on here. Actually, I'm gonna wait a second. Let me pull the beautiful peel off. So we're gonna pull this peel. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very beautiful. I'm so sorry. I know it's very low lighting, but I just got home and best I can do. So I'm gonna throw this guy back in here. This is after I told myself, oh, I'm not gonna save any more iPhone boxes. You know, why would I save them? Yeah, iPhone box. We have the iPhone, so we're gonna power it on, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Holy god, I'm getting a little emotional. This is so cool. And I'm just now realizing that the camera looks a little flipped, which I don't like that. That's killing me. But yeah, holy cow, this is so cool. So I am just gonna unbox it and then just set it up. I think I have decided I am probably gonna add Apple Care with Theft and Lost to it just because. But oh my god, this is crazy. We're gonna hit English, United States, continue, and then I can actually bring my old phone nearby. It's gonna help me set it up. So if I bring this phone right here, there we go, set up another iPhone. I'm gonna hit continue. Oh, it's gonna ask for my Face ID. Oh, and then I just have to take a picture of the little circle. Oh my god, this is so cool. What the heck? But I am setting this new phone up kind of like a new phone. So I'm just gonna enter my password. So what I mean by that is that I'm not transferring, like, I'm not doing a phone-to-phone migration. I'm not moving everything from here to there. I'm also not doing an iCloud backup for the restore. What I'm doing is I'm basically just signing into my Apple ID. So it'll have my emails, it'll have my iMessages, it'll have my iCloud photos, it'll have my contacts, it'll have my notes, my reminders. But it's not going to have, like, all the apps I have on this phone. It's also not going to have any bugs, any issues, since this backup is actually from like from an iPhone 5C in 2014, and I had an iPhone 7 Plus after that, and an iPhone 11 and 13 Pro Max, and I actually have jailbroken the phone multiple times. So you can imagine, after all those years, this phone's not going to run the best if I have all that over. So right now it's actually asking me transfer your phone number to set up cellular on this iPhone. You can transfer your phone number from another iPhone. Once your phone number is transferred to this iPhone, it will stop working on your other iPhone. So we're going to hit transfer phone number. Alright, I was able to find both of my numbers. Oh, transfer your phone number. Choose the phone number you would like to set up on this iPhone. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we're going to do my personal number. Okay, it's going to ask me to confirm on my other iPhone to transfer the number. So I do have two phone numbers. I have a personal line and a business line. So I'm going to give it a second. It's going to ask me to double click the power button to confirm. I don't know if it's going to ask for the second number also, because it didn't let me select both. It only let me select one. But if anything, in the settings, I do know there's an option to transfer phone numbers. Man, I'm going to try to give this a little better of an angle. Yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. I know not everyone's getting an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know what iPhone you're currently rocking, what iPhone you're planning to get. What are you waiting for? Are you maybe getting a 17 Pro Max? Are you on an 11? Are you on a 13? But yeah, I'm just hoping the phone number transfers very easily. My only worry is that my iPhone over here is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh, looks like it's connecting. And it says SOS. The primary phone number is actually a physical SIM. It's not an eSIM. Oh, it was able to move it over. Okay, continue. Okay, we're gonna accept the data and privacy. And we're gonna let that finish. Face ID, so I'm gonna do that very quickly. And now it is asking me if I do use my iPhone with a mask. I don't really do that, so I'm gonna say don't use with Face ID with mask. So it's only gonna be one Face ID. Now it's giving me the option. Do I want to download from iCloud? It's about 15 minutes. Do I want to transfer from another iPhone? 5 to 10 minutes. I'm actually gonna hit other options, and I'm actually gonna set up the phone as brand new. But it will bring all the photos, all the videos. It's gonna ask me to accept the terms and conditions. I don't really have an option. I kind of have to accept that to use an iPhone. And yeah, it's going to bring everything over. This is so exciting. I'm also noticing it's already in dark mode because it transferred to my other phone. So that's pretty cool. And then now it's asking transfer your apps and data. I'm going to say don't transfer anything. But it should bring everything else with me. Or I believe so. If not, I'm going to have to reset this phone. I mean, my phone number is already here, so I'm like, kind of don't have an option. And as you can see on this old phone, it says, enjoy your new iPhone. When you're ready, come back to this iPhone, ready to be traded in, sold, or given away. So this iPhone's actually going to be traded in, so I can get money back. But this iPhone's pretty much basically like in a brand new condition. I mean, it's the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's like very little dings and scratches. It's always had a case and screen protector on it. Alright, so let's say make this your new iPhone. We're not going to transfer any apps, but everything else should be transferred. So if you hit customize, we're going to automatically update the iPhone. We're going to turn on location services. We're going to set up the Apple Pay later. We'll turn on screen time. I don't want to share analytics. I already know about the silent mode. We now have the action button, which I am going to customize later. Apple Intelligence, which I finally have access to. The camera control. You guys already know about the camera control button on the new iPhones. We'll probably do like a more in-depth video of me checking out all the new features and then talking about like my day-to-day experience after using this iPhone for some time. Siri.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky fade.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
I'll do that one. I'm actually switching back to voice phone, I'm not gonna lie. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Alright, perfect. So we have Siri ready. I don't want to share anything for improving iOS or share Siri. And then I do have emergency SOS, so I can press and hold the side button and either volume button to make an emergency call. Crash detection, if it detects severe car crash, will automatically try to call emergency services. And then in select countries, emergency SOS via satellite. So, if I'm stuck somewhere and I need to make a call, to save my life, I have that ability. You can also send messages now via satellite, and I believe you also have the ability to get roadside assistance via satellite. So this is actually something that I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, I'm never going to use it. I had an Apple Watch SE 2, or I currently do, but I like to wear my actual watch more often than not. I only wear the Apple Watch during while I'm home, but I just got home, so I haven't had time to switch it. When I'm at the gym or when I'm sleeping, sometimes I kind of forgot to take it off recently, and I just kind of got back into the habit of always having it on. And yeah, I used to wear it all the time. One morning, I had a incredibly bad accident. My car flipped over. I blacked out, and yeah, it contacted emergency services before I even regained consciousness, and then my car called emergency services, and then I made a call myself through Siri to 911. And yeah, there was a lot of police because there were so many multiple calls. But yeah, so continue. All right, and we have the new iPhone. Holy cow, this is so weird. Now, first of all, the wallpaper by default is incredibly ugly. We are going to have to set up my phone the way I'd like to, but this is all the default apps. But yeah, that is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if I open my Photos app, so I'm not going to open in front of you guys, but I believe it's gonna slowly sync my photos. So I'm actually gonna have to open the settings over here. It's gonna say finish setting up iPhone, so I'm gonna have to add Apple Pay. I already know about that. Get help during an emergency. Emergency SOS. iPhone can help during an emergency. With emergency SOS, you can easily call for help and alert emergency contacts. Just press and hold the side button and either volume button. Drag the emergency SOS slider. If your call to emergency services won't go through, iPhone can help you text responders through satellite. Yes, use this iPhone for sharing locations with my friends and family. iPhone can help you text responders via satellite. On connecting to a satellite, make sure to be outside and have a clear view of the sky. Set medical ID. This should already be up to date. Oh, it doesn't transfer from my old phone. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay. Maybe it doesn't transfer everything. I thought it did. Maybe I made a mistake. We'll see. Okay. Primary language is going to be English. And then I am not an organ donor. Okay. So as far as I can see from iCloud, it is currently syncing everything. I am going to double check after I finish recording this, but I believe it should move everything over for me. If not, I'll just reset the iPhone again from a backup. But I was told, as far as I know, that I can set up as a new device. So that's gonna suck if I have to restore it and then redo it again. But anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I highly appreciate it. This is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm sure here soon I'm gonna have a lot of really cool stuff to show you guys on how I'm setting up this phone for myself. But I'm just gonna wait for some things to sync over. I did see the iCloud photos are currently moving over. I did just turn on iMessage, with the iCloud, and we're gonna see how this works out. But I didn't even show you guys the back. Or like, yeah, there's the back, there's the phone, there's the camera control, which automatically opens the camera. We're gonna allow while using app. We're gonna set up photographic styles later, and we now have the action button instead of the slider. Holy cow, this is so weird. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like if you guys enjoyed, dislike if you didn't. I know it's just a little unboxing and just kind of going through the main setup process. Yeah, I'll make sure to drop a bunch more videos with my favorite apps, my home screen setup, how I make the most out of the phone, what I do with the action button, and Apple Intelligence stuff, I'm sure. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.